We've got questions for you.
Is it a scone
Or a scone?
Is it jam first?
Or is it cream first? Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren.
And today we are bringing you the British classic, a scone.
A scone or a scone?
A scone.
It's got to be a scone when you're from the northeast.
But we're doing it two ways today. We are doing it cheese
and fruit. So which one's your favourite?
cheese scone.
Cheese
All
scone,
the way. I love it.
I think I'm a bit
scone.
of savoury over a sweet.
Yeah, 100%.
So this is a fairly simple recipe. If you don't mind getting your hands a little bit dirty.
And the best part about this recipe is you can make both of these from the same mixture that you start off with.
All you have to do is divide it at the end. So
Brilliant.
we'll hop straight into it and we'll show you what to do to get these amazing, delicious scones.
Preheat that oven to 190 degrees, gas mark 6.
The ingredients that we are using today will be listed in the description below, so make sure you do give them a read before you start cracking on.
Cracking on. You ready? Pop this in.
Flour.
Literally just dive down. You might need a bit extra on top of this as we are going. It just depends on how wet your mixture gets and for rolling purposes on the bench.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to pop your butter in.
The best thing about this is you can add when you go, you can't take away. So I'm going to go in with my hands with the butter and almost like you're making a crumble, you're just going to combine the butter and the flour together. Another trick as well, try not to use butter that's solid because you will struggle to get the lumps out, it won't combine as well. So make sure that your butter is room temperature.
Crack 1 egg into that mixture as well. And we are actually going to add a little bit of water as well. We want it to
Stick together.
yeah. I was trying to think of the word
then.
combine and it didn't come out until now. So we're going to combine that, add a little bit of water until it forms a dough that we can potentially cut out of this. I got the water, I'm going to add in.
Add little bits at a time. You don't want to add too much. I mean, then again, if you add too much, you just add a little bit more flour to dry up your mixture. You can't really go wrong with a cheese scone, can you?
Nah, not at all.
So I'm just bringing that mixture together. You'll see it'll form like a dough, like a ball in the middle of your bowl.
Don't even think we need any water there.
I think that's it. I think you've got it spot on.
I think we have got it spot on. Right, we'll just chuck this away.
Funny. We've got a lovely little ball of scone dough there. We're just going to try our best to divide that using a scraper.
Ready?
Straight down the middle.
Straight down the middle.
If you are precise though, you could pop this on a scale and weigh it out.
I mean, that's savvy.
We like to wing things in this kitchen, don't we?
Oh, 100%.
Right, I'm going to quickly wash my hands and then I'm going to come back and give you a hand.
Go on then. Right, let's dive in now. I'm going to do the Sultana one. Lauren's going to do the cheese one. So we're just going to literally...
It's up to you how heavy you want your cheese scones, but you've got to love a cheesy scone. So I'm going in with quite a bit of cheese and I'm just combining that through. Oh, delish.
Looking lovely.
Right?
Add a few more Sultanas
Easy peasy.
Got to make sure it's full of them Sultanas. It would be pointless otherwise, wouldn't it? Right, should we go in with mine first? Because it's going to be easier, I think, to get the Sultanas off the cutter than it is the cheese.
Right. Fair enough.
So, our dough's perfect. So I'm literally
We're going to bring it in. We'll let you have a closer look.
I am literally just forming a ball shape. You want it to be quite tall, so you can see it's sort of almost in level with my fingers there. And then we're going to pop this down. Hey, look at that, and pop it out of the mould. Hey.
If you're using a bigger batch of dough, you can roll it out, but try not to roll it out too much.
Yeah.
You want it pretty big in height.
Because these are going to expand and get bigger when they go in our oven.
And scone's meant to be chunky. Go on, I
And
think you can get one more out of there.
I think I'm just going to roll this into a ball. I don't think I'll get the egg cut, I mean.
No.
But I can just...
If you just go by
ball
guessing
it
it.
Like this, and we'll flatten the top, I think.
That'll be fine, man.
There we go, grand.
Right, you're going to do the same thing with your cheese scone in a bowl. Make sure it's not too thin. Pop that down. You can make it a little bit easier yourself by flouring the cutter. I think I'm only going to get 3 out of this one. Yeah?
Oh, you can have a baby one.
I'll take a tiny one, eh? Taste test. Have you ever ate a cheese scone in one bite? Well, you're about to.
We are about to make just a little egg wash there.
You put in 1 medium egg. Something I learned the other day
Wash my hands.
is, did you know the eggs in the USA are smaller than the eggs in the UK?
Did not know that, Lauren.
No, I didn't.
And I've been to America and I never noticed any difference with their eggs when I was cooking over there.
So we had a comment on one of our videos last week. Someone asking for a conversion to US measurements. So when I was looking into it on Google, I was like, oh wow, the eggs are, you wouldn't expect it because it seems like everything's supersized in the US.
Yeah.
But yeah, the eggs are smaller.
That's crazy, that.
So, brush them with a little bit of egg wash.
Okay, we're going to do the cheese scone ones, egg wash, and then add a little bit of extra cheese on. Got to make it extra cheesy. And if you've been here long, you know I love my cheese, which we've mentioned in a few of the videos.
Yeah. I think if you were to convert into a cartoon character, you'd be Gromit, wouldn't you?
I would. A little bit of cheese.
Nice bit of cheese, Gromit. Oh, going with that little mini one.
Ooh, a bit carried away with the egg on that one.
Yeah. Be quite generous with your egg wash. You want that nice golden crisp.
Oh.
Oops.
Oopsie, a bit of spillage.
Pop these beautiful scones/scones in your oven for roughly 15 to 20 minutes or until golden on top. Just keep an eye out, see how they're cooking throughout.
We got the double cream in a bowl. We are going to mix this. If you haven't seen our video on how to make the perfect whipped cream already, see above, and you can go and check that out. We're going to quickly whip this up for our Sultana scones.
After those scones are cooled from the oven, you're going to take your knife and your scone, obviously, and you're going to go straight down the middle.
Yep, straight down the middle.
Just had to check with the box there to make sure.
The box.
Fairly easy to cut through, and you'll see that is cooked beautifully on the inside.
What I'll show you is cutting the rest of those and putting the cream in the piping bag. Just want that nice clean finish. You can use a spoon if you want, but we're fancy.
You've also got a bit of a base mark to work from with your scones as well, because when they bake, they split in the middle. So it's not much effort to get them open. Pop them on there.
Which ones are the tops and which ones are the bottoms?
We'll just have a look. Flat on the bottom.
Put it on there, ready? Well, we need the jam on first, I think.
Yeah, it's there. So your jam and cream, are you?
Jam, then cream.
I'm the same.
Do you know what I think it's the easiest way though? Because you put your jam on the spoon, you can just pipe your cream straight on top.
Yeah.
Gonna make it a lot easier. Oh, look at that. That looks tasty.
It does look beautiful, that.
Should we do it fancy or should we just slab it on?
Go on. Oh, not very classy, are we?
They're looking like me little flowers. They're not sticking.
Oh. Cream's lovely as well.
They're like me flowers. Oh, look at that. That's what I call
That's a proper
a sweet scone.
Bottom.
Bottom, you need the jam
I
on.
need the jam. I keep forgetting that stuff.
I'm not doing it the other way around. No, thank you.
Gotta be generous with the jam, haven't you?
Same with the cream. Oh, look at that. That lid on.
Beautiful. Very nice indeed.
Beautiful, look at that.
And our favourite, good old classic cheese scone. Again, I'm going to go right down the centre with the ridged knife. Cut them in half. Oh, look at the cheese in there.
Oh,
beautiful.
Beautiful. Can I have one just cut in half without the butter on?
Yeah. Do you not like butter on your scone?
No. I'm not a big fan of butter unless it's on actual like toast.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you've got to have butter with a cheese scone, like.
Nah, not for me.
No? Fair enough. Top. Be generous.
Would you like some scone with that butter? Time for the vital taste test.
The best part about the video.
I think we should go in with the cheese scone first because it's less messy than the fruit scone.
And you have to leave it sweet after your savoury.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Here's my non-buttered one.
So I'm going to go in with the base I've just buttered.
Well, I see I like the top because of the extra cheese.
I love a cheese scone.
It's very soft and moist and squishy. Plenty cheese on there.
See all those lovely bits of cheese in.
You can see it. We'll go for a closer look. You can see all the pieces of cheese inside of that scone.
10 out of 10 for the cheese scones. Yeah? I don't think you can rate any lower than that. That's illegal.
We're gonna have one more bite.
Yeah. I'm gonna go and take those home to my family and they are gonna enjoy those.
Now let's tuck into one of these jam and cream scones. One each. Don't know how we're gonna get my mouth around it, do you?
We'll manage.
I don't know.
Cheers. Cheers.
I'm debating, I'm looking at it and figuring it out.
I've lost half of my film on the bench.
Unlucky. Unlucky Chucky.
Yeah, nice though. Aren't they?
They are messy but so tasty.
I think next time I'll get a bib when I'm eating one of these.
I think I need one as well.
Very nice.
And that is it for 2 smart cookies. Do you prefer sweet or do you prefer savoury? Please let us know in the comments below.
And please remember to give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, and keep that notification bell on if you want to see our next videos.
That's it. Bye.
Bye bye.